You say, man, box down Banka. Banka play Alkaline a party and man, this in because no, because but right now, no see what go on. Cause everybody did say when cartel come from prison, you know. I hit that for the vendetta boss, you know.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
People who don't know anything set, you know. Chris Genius forward out. And them talk a lot of things in every day, you know. And that's why I go review it and break it down. You understand? Yeah, man. No thing said, but we're going to go in a video and make you see what I go on. Because I talk a bag of things about Alkaline and things, you see me? But there's a lot of things inside of the video where very interesting where, you understand? Yeah, you have to listen closely, you see me? Yeah, man. Here I go on, you know.
Most dub play from. And which are your favorite?
My artist, Alkaline.
Alkaline artist?
Yeah. Which travel with Alkaline, numerous in a video. After all, you might not know this. After all video, after all video. I mean, play the main role. I mean, so I'm a DJ. I'm a DJ. So,
you know, we need to talk about that. But
yeah, man, Blanca, you see me? Yeah, man, Banka always a rep Alkaline thing. You see me? If you're looking at the video, him the after all video, yeah, man, him in the video in the car and you see me? Alka give him something in him and you see me? Yeah. And him snatch it off and, you know, police them catch him and, you see me, I say, yo, he must govern it and, you don't know in the skit, the thing. Yeah, man, him that with the kerchief tie around him head. You see it? That is it.
which one I don't play them are your favorite when we have them?
After all.
I say, yo, I feel
after all. And I think no selector Jamaica have the amount of Alkaline double plate them have. I think they have about 31 or 32 double plate, Alkaline double plate.
So how would I link them with your Alka?
Alright, you know, say, I really true DJ Frost because DJ Frost and me go school together. They get me and DJ Frost apart from me I got high school. So when Frost leave high school, Frost was a selector who make a mixtape and I sell him CD them.
Yeah, man, a true man. Frost did do him thing and you see me, but seems like you don't know. No seems like Alka and Frost link anymore. You see, you don't know whatever go on. You see me, but you don't know anything set and them just you see me a Frost introduce him. You see it, you see me, make him think, him Alkaline, the link up and everything, make you have Banka now as DJ where, you see me? Yeah, man, so that's a one thing where I go respect Alkaline for. You see it, but this is what them say.
Yeah, the street, and you don't know, him do him thing and, you know, they're an artist, him try for the producing thing and it work. So him did low selecting thing and become an official producer. So Alka and Frost did a par at the time. So
that's about 2013, 14. That's
yeah, about 12, 13, 14. That's
no, I remember say 12 Not Nice Day Night picture.
Yeah.
12 Not Nice Day Night picture.
Yeah, I remember saying Not Nice did a produce Alka too, you know.
Yeah, I said, but no, after Not Nice, jump out, Frost jump in. Yeah, and in 2013 you have him a vice.
Yeah, but yeah, this is the thing. Everybody, when Alkaline forward out, you have DJ Frost, you have Not Nice, you understand? You have DJ Sunshine, you see me? Alkaline do a lot of songs but different, work with different producers, you see me? Yeah. You see it? Because I don't know when really bring up that point if I say, yo, after Not Nice and one bag of thing, but Banka, you see me, I try explain to him and certain little thing, you see it, so I don't know where I try story up this, you see it?
You are them that are Andrew Blacks them.
Yeah, man.
At 2013, you know, at the time that he find him breakout song, you know.
Yeah.
Not really breakout, but the biggest song.
Yeah.
What I say about him, which is 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, easy 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, that song they really give him.
Yeah. But when me get the link with him, him was on the scene but never. Oh, they say he bust yet. But people are hear about him and people are say, yo, what if the youth here really?
Yeah.
Be one of the column them in a dance song.
Look at Alkaline today. Yeah, man, have one of the biggest fan base in a dancer right now. Enough people did try for don't play Alkaline thing, you know. Yeah, man. People are gonna wonder, people say, yo, my this a man name soon flap and all of them look at something there. But all who forward and say flap, them flap before Alkaline. Although Alkaline flap and will never flap. You understand? Because the youth set him thing away where, brother, some superstar level, I know. You understand? And a everyday thing and on the internet and all of them look at something there. You see it? Yeah, man. So the youth put out in music, lot of hit songs. Yeah, man, him stay in him own circle. Him not make people drain him energy. You understand? That is Alkaline, you see it?
You get me? But when me end up start running him career now, it's like that give my extra push because remember now we as one of the bad youth them in the street.
Yeah.
I represent film them time they no selector now say vendetta. Everybody has a Gaza.
People, when you hear what man say a while ago? The man say when him car, this is the thing, you know, but them time there, you know, social media never so strong like that, you understand? So it's like you have to have a DJ where push out your music them out there in the street, in the party them, you understand? But Banka was a DJ, him never really too tying to nobody. You see me? So getting around Alkaline kinda give him the official DJ thing there. And then now him start go out in the street and start play Alkaline music and all of them look something there. You know, as a DJ where I rip the vendetta. You see what me I try to say? But here what him just say a while ago, him say at that time all of the DJ them did I say Gaza. I remember you know, I'm gonna say something down in the line, you know. Seeing all of the DJ them usually say Gaza. Seeing? So enough of them DJ then play Alkaline because remember them a try compare and them a say yo him this cartel and one bag of thing. You see me? So yeah, at that him a try explain. You see it?
No,
So-
Vendetta did come out in time. Vendetta thing did form in time.
Yeah man, remember say a
As
little time.
he step on the scene with the Vendetta or after I get the break, the Vendetta come
From
out.
me, know him a vendetta, me hear me say.
Oh.
From me, a link a vendetta. You know what I mean? So me have to talk about where.
Yeah.
Me forward by the scene. I get where me I come from. So them at them time they know them that classify me as vendetta selector. You know?
Oh, so you dey get labeled as that?
Yeah,
So,
because no, but watch this now.
yeah.
Yo, me I tell you know. Yo, that a one thing. Alright. You see when you say vendetta, you have vendetta DJ. People, let me tell you this. I want the worst thing you gonna experience as a DJ. Once you tie your name to vendetta. Cause Chris G doesn't know what going on. Banka just a tell him about the vendetta thing. Him not really know what going on. Cause him just a work with ears. A man with their own the artist I tell you what going on. See? Let me tell you people. Remember you know, him as a DJ where in the thing. See? And him a try explain say yo. A lot of artists usually depend on the side there. So him have to try push Alka thing and certain thing, you see me? Yeah. So he might in the street and him a label him as vendetta thing. You see me? So it's like yo when him see him I say yo vendetta. You see me come as him said majority of the artists them I say Gaza. You see it? So I saw the DJ thing work. You see me?
Me respect the cartel. Me would have never come pan up show and talk bad about cartel because before me get the link with Alkaline, cartel was my artist. But we never know cartel like fit.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Eye to eye, really. We don't know him like that.
You just know say a bad
We just know
DJ
say
and
a
a
bad
fake
DJ
DJ,
that. But
yeah.
when me end up get the link with Alkaline now, me I travel with Alkaline. Alkaline I give me strength, I put me in a music video, give me main role for play. I want at them time them you ride the gang. And he must say, yo dog, you need to come off of the bike now in the car. You're my DJ.
Yeah,
and
man,
him
that
give me
right there.
first money. Him give me a piece of food. And Frost give me a piece of food. So come you could have buy a car.
Yes.
Yo, that a one thing. I'ma tell you people. You see the people in their own Alkaline team and that's why you see anybody where you see come out with their own the youth team and start talk something. Remember me tell you man, them people are never good from morning. Them the bad mind from morning. See? You see how Alkaline look out for the youths them. The man say yo done with the bike. Yo. This car, remember you know them say Alka no bust nobody, Alka no do this, Alka no do that. But when you check it pan film show them, him carry on the young youths them pan him show and carry back some artists to the industry through aside. You understand? So Alka always a look out for people. See the man make him upgrade to a car from half of the bike. You see it? As him say, him the rate cartel before, you see him? And you don't know him start go around Alkaline and evil think our cartel he did it before. Cartel a bad artist, you see me? So him say yo, Alkaline, you know, you see it. Him no mean say yo him a go done with cartel thing or whatsoever. You see it, but the respect I go more over the Alkaline side. You see it, cause him look out for him. You see me, and him never really know cartel like that. So that's how the thing said.
When me I get them strength there, me just have to just
Alright.
put my loyalty to when me I get strength.
Sure.
You know what I mean? But you never hear me no one party at this cartel.
No.
I never hear me I say no bad about cartel.
people, I'm not gonna wrong him. Yo, like, if you have to give energy to where you get energy from. You understand? Same like if you have a boss. If your boss a pay you have to work for him do the work. If him a pay you and I like say him a make you do work and him not pay you. You understand? So cartel not put the money in him pocket. You understand? So if Alkaline help him out and thing, yeah, I'm gonna be loyal to Alkaline more. You see it? And I just saw things said.
Because cartel is a bad artist. And cartel them did it before. Cartel them set it. You get me? So we can't come disrespect who see did it before. You know what I mean?
Because yo, let me tell you see, but well, not maybe before cartel got prison, you know, say you're supposed to know say certain selector couldn't play certain songs in a certain.
Oh, them time the selector get beaten.
Wicked.
Them time
so,
them get beaten with the gully Gaza thing. They do wicked, bro.
Wicked.
You can't have a certain players go.
Yo, one serious thing they go on, you know. DJ I get beaten and all of that. But we hear them little thing they are going round the little cartel thing and you see me? A lot of things they go on out. DJ I get beaten and all of them look something there. So I don't want normal thing they go on. You see it, and that's why a lot of people them time when the little Gaza and Vendetta thing, a lot of DJs are afraid to play Alkaline. You understand? Afraid to play Alkaline. You see me? Cause them no want to say, yo, yeah, do try this the boss or whatsoever. You see me? Yeah, man.
Glad all them things they kind of cut out now.
But guess what? I never really the artists them still in
And just the followers them.
You see me? You can't.
Brother, no, you can't. What you mean by another artist? Them are the followers. What you try to say? Wait, then this is the thing. Then you tell me say no, an artist, the way over there so him and him entourage. Zine? And when him entourage just walk and left and just gone up there so up with the DJ there. Nobody not send him just left and gone up there so to the DJ them. No must somebody have to send him, brother. So what you go say you're an artist? I don't understand that. That a madness, bro. That a madness. Because when you're in a party, if you're not playing a cartel back in a them days or something, bro, you know what you're going to get. You understand? So, and sometimes the artists, them take a part of it. I'm not going to say the artists all the time, but them take part in it too. You see what I try to say? I remember them could have come out and say, yo, I don't want nobody a Ray. Through them not play music and Ray. You understand? Them never come out and say that. So, and I saw it always go, brother.
Ray. So, they label you as the vendetta selector.
Yeah.
Like, but you ever face any chat like you face any backlash?
No backlash. But you know what? I never get a disrespect. Why? Sometimes it's not what it is for you. It's for you do it. Means that youth, I think they are firing now, bro. If you come to Jamaica or ask anybody at Jamaica, you don't left my friend them.
Yeah, man. May I tell you people, may I tell you. Once you have vendetta DJ and you're in high street, you will get problem. Remember, you know, people, remember Alkaline Marvelous them, you know. Zine, are the same thing of Banka attack. Alkaline Marvelous. When he make Alkaline, Alkaline make him intro a song. It was the same thing him friend them stop deal with him, everybody stop deal with him. Are the same thing, the same politics within the music. Once you link yourself to Alkaline, people now go really meds you. Same like how Macadam man come out and say, yo, when them hear share go up on the show, the new rules. Man, the man no want answer in phone and the man has no want help her with the song and all of them something here. They must say, yo, I wish she go flap. These are the things happening.
My friend them say it's never a case where you hear say, man, box down Banka, Banka play Alkaline in a party and man, this in the car. No, because as much as Alkaline I'm an artist, but balance me juggling.
True.
Me no make it obvious in a party life to say, yo, I'm an artist this so me I play him more than me I play the next man. No, bro, me balance juggling because me not juggle for me I juggle for the people.
But me not wrong. I just saw
all know say.
I just saw the thing said, you see me? I know how them something they go like. Cause remember, you know, brother, seeing you have Alkaline, we have him DJ, you know, where they round him like we play. Every party with Alkaline I go and show him book for. You have the DJ when they are just Alkaline DJ and just signed to Alkaline. You understand? But like Banka now, Banka kinda just do him own thing. See him like no, in a now. You see me? He might do him own thing where he play for other people and all of these good things. You see it? Yeah, so in a that way him have to be neutral. You see it? But him know say yo, I respect Alkaline in that way there, cause if him going to one party and somebody book him, he cannot play Alkaline song alone. And And not everybody a one guy party and listen Alkaline alone, you understand? So him have to mix the thing. Him can't play too much artists. You see it. Him just have to play like a normal DJ. You see it. And I just saw the thing said.
So Gaza have a bigger fan base in Jamaica. But right now, no see what go on. Everybody did say when Cartel come from prison, you know. I hit that for the vendetta boss, you know. I see the man keep shows and them are sold out.
Yeah,
so have you said this man have him fans them?
Yeah, man.
And him have some loyal fans, bro.
That's one thing me know.
Him have some loyal fans. So you know what? You have to just accept him and know say, yo, I want to column them in a dance hall right now.
Yes, man, enough people did say when Cartel come on road. Remember when Cartel drop song and them a say, yo, them career go cut short like Nicki Minaj and Ray. Then a Hoofa song them a pull up about Key Man. A Hoofa song them a talk about now. Then say a Hoofa fans walk out pan Bounty Killer. You understand? Alkaline still in the mix same way. Them still talk about him song them. You understand? Them talk about Alkaline song more than the artists where them say we go further road and Alkaline career go flap. You understand? Because he might drop much his song and me nah hear them talk about it. You see what me I try to say? So who for career really cut short? Or who end up flap up? Because if a song with Alkaline drop, meet them talk about it, everything him do. So me don't know what go on. You see it? The youth stamp him thing, he never bow to no man. You see what me I try to say? Yeah. Everybody a do them thing. You see me? This a man I can't do nothing to him career. This a man I can't do nothing to him career. I just what I think said. Everybody put in them work. You see it? Stay in them own lane.
What him do? Who else do it? Which other artist you know? Where for him step out? He must say, yo, me are the youngest and me are the baddest.
Yeah.
Billing thing, bro. That's people start comparing with the world boss. Remember, you know, from them I compare against the best, you know, bro. It obviously so what you're doing, dog, making sense, you know. It work, bro.
Yeah, man. You see, and this is the problem, you know, people. You see, majority of the artists, them tie themselves to the Gaza. This is one of the thing where them not get a too big fan base in the dance hall now. Vendetta, Alkaline, and Cartel and Gaza. And you know why? It's because all majority of the artists them take the Gaza side. So them no build no core fan base for themselves. Them feed off of the Gaza fan them. Alkaline build him own fan base. Him create it with the music, every little thing. You understand? And Cartel fan base I go big. And it I go bigger because why? Cartel in the game way more before Alkaline. So him I go have fans from way back when. But for sure it's Alkaline thing different. For see a youth after just found in the game like gone 10 years and build him fan base where we can stand up to this man fan base here. The youth stamp him feet in the game. You understand? Because you have to be a great artist to do that. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man, I just one of them things there.
You see me? I have a whole heap of people who rate Cartel, rate the G.
No, let me tell you something, bro. You see enough of them people, brother, where you hear a talk about this and that. A man they love, me can't tell you that straight.
Brother, Chris Genius, you know if you talk, bro. Don't talk about no a man them love and all of them something. Stop it, brother. Stop it, cause you're not different, bro. Cartel post you up on him page couple times. You know what you do? You start bring down Alkaline song them. Because a man. Remember when you just found out your Alkaline props. Yo, me rate the song. Wait. You usually don't play Cartel thing. You understand? All of these things you usually do. But you Cartel kind of post you and get a cosign thing. Yeah, man. You start run out, but you put all Alkaline pan fall off list. All of them something that you do, brother. I say, yo, what kind of song this? Alkaline fans need to tell him say him need to pack up now. Him fall off and all of them look at something there. Because Cartel start post you up now. Yeah, brother. You understand? And you love man, bro. You do the same thing what you say. You understand? Because you usually give Alkaline him credit now through Cartel, but you try to bring down the youth thing. You understand?
Because I can tell you this. Killer my artist straight.
People, you see them enough of them vlogger boy, yeah? A wagonist them. Wagonist, they're not liar. Look how I'm going to explain how much artists, and after me I go explain what going, how much artists in usually they run, how much artists in usually bring. Just listen.
You understand? Bounty Killer my artist straight. 2005 me here, my father jump out and say, Bumbo Clad, you can win. Father becomes my artist.
Yeah.
You understand?
Daddy, you
and
tell
it
him
never change. You see, all when me in high school, bro, I have You have the Gully and the Gaza thing. I'm on the Gully side, me there, but guess I say at the end of the day, bro, if you check my phone, you have the whole like Gaza song.
Serious.
The whole like Alliance, whole like Gully song.
Same
Have
way.
music.
Because
People, yo, me don't know what I talk about, you know. Brother, you say you usually do Alliance. Seeing you usually there on something there. Bounty, then you go. Remember you know Bounty and this man you fall out. You dey over Movado now. Zine. And then now it seems like you dey over the Gaza thing you know. You understand? But when me realize it, me no see you pump and a push Movado thing again. That was oh you not push certain artists. You see what me try say? Bro, no wagonist bro, no real. You can't state on the artist or own a rate. You understand? You only go for the artists them where run the thing or who hype right now or who have the clout. You understand? Yeah man.
Music, but some man take the music too personal. Some man take the music too personal, bro. Brother, me in a party and me all play Cartel. I'm gonna say, yo, boy, Alkaline don't play Cartel. Me I say then, brother, and me can tell you this. Alkaline never yet look for me and say to me, say, yo, you play so much Cartel. Never. Because of the way how me set my thing. You have to respect me like how me respect you.
People, I just saw the things that if I've these are the thing people say yo other artists and yeah play so much Cartel or whatsoever. I see him so if a DJ I say Gaza and him a play yo enough Gaza people Gaza art DJ me know you know. Remember one time you know people I go up on the resort you know and you can know a DJ say Gaza he man no play no Alkaline none at all. You understand? None at all. The man no play. I went at the next day I start here look Alkaline a play. One different youth. Me I tell you. Yeah man.
Talking about that. The other
Yes people, wait there. Me I go say this. After all of that, you know, look what Chris Genius I go start bring up now. Cause me know him now you see him a try to throw Alkaline thing under the bus, you know. Cause remember the little thing we go on a new rules with the DJ and them a say your DJ cut and play Cartel song or whatever. I bring it up now, you know. Listen what I say.
yeah, me see a thing go on the new rules we keep a chill on it. Where a selector squeeze in the Angel and Cartel song. And as he start playing at the 5 seconds, the man way up there, MC way up there.
Yes, I'm
say, yo,
Gargamel. Alright.
Why him do that?
Because
You see it? You saw that youth yesterday? You see people, you know say when that go on, seeing? You know say a man bring down his show. Because Cartel post him up, bring down the show and I say, yo, what them a do? And yo, them not want to play Cartel song I want. Bring down the show, that's why I'm bring it up, you know. That's why I'm bring it up. That's why I'm talk about, yo, why them do it. Do you understand? Cause them a go on like say, yo, brother, enough time people they run in Gaza thing, them not play Alkaline song them. Not saying that go on at the show. You understand? Because some man just afraid to do it. You see me? Enough time you have Alkaline have show and Cartel song play. That time songs them with the apps them play. Some don't know what not try talk about. You see what me I try say? But listen how Banka go explain it.
him don't trust himself. And him just feel like say, yo, if him do that, him a violate the real boss.
Him a violate Alkaline.
If him do that, him a violate Alkaline. Remember, you know, the culture clash, you know. Red Bull culture clash, you know.
Yeah.
Remember, say, me play Alkaline, you know. One time, Cartel, they in at the party, you know. And Cartel a boss blank, you know. You remember that? Yeah, remember, say, alright. Remember, me a intro the Alkaline after all, you know. And Cartel a boss blank, you know.
Yo, let me tell you, enough of artists them rate Alkaline music. It's just that these artists want man for bow to them, want man for give them respect and all of these things. Remember, you know, say when them did a compare Alkaline with Cartel thing. I never Cartel come out and say, yo, the boy I try to copy my style or whatsoever, you know, from the get-go. You see what me I try to say? So, remember, you know, Bounty come out and say him have music and him sing the song, say the man on the galleys. Of course, them listen to Alkaline. Them rate Alkaline song. You see me? Them rate it. Cause you go do good music. You see me?
That for sure, yeah, bro. So the end of the day, music, bro. Them stand on, bro.
Question, your Alkaline still good to the
Yeah, man, I'm a DJ and I'm a DJ, bro. Alkaline be for, bro. Me just be like Alkaline mixtape. Just be like Alkaline mixtape. That for sure, yeah, bro. Me and the DJ no good, me nah endorse him certain way. Me nah endorse him certain way. Just be like Alkaline. I can send it to you too.
So mixtape there.
Just Alkaline music alone.
Yeah, man, so like, which have you would post up on SoundCloud?
See that? We don't post it yet. See that? Alkaline.
Oh, new song, them are...
Everything, from old to new. I'm an artist, bro.
Yo, all the man I say, that's all. Yeah, that brother, you see, that's the easy though. But the man does to rate Al Cap on a different level. Like him carry him to the road and make him start fly and thing. So no matter why man show Alkaline the ratings there.
Bro, I'm an artist because I'm a man, bro. What Alka do for me, bro, no artist never do that, bro. Just imagine me I ride a little bike and a man can go. Remember my first fly, the first time I take a plane, and him bring me to Trinidad. Then time they have the MVP, the move out of the Alkaline and the Jamaican.
Yeah.
The first time I go on a plane where I never did know some music, could I even make me travel because you know them time they.
Yo, one thing in a man, nah forget this. Your man do couple interview with and him ask me about the Alkaline thing. The man always I make them know, and I that me rate with the old Banka. Him not forget where I forward from. You understand? And the youth, yeah, that's why you see me striving at the business. Can remember where I forward from. You understand? Never this the answer feed you. You understand? I saw things set, and him always I show him respect to Alkaline. My Alkaline might not to they run each other every day, but what? Him still with Alkaline same way and still put out him music them and play music them same way, is it?
You know, out the certain way. And if him can say, yo, my selector come here, I got Trinidad. Ray. You see me? I can't forget a man like that, bro. And if me Alka fi jump off, me don't feel like it gonna be a jump off for me. I gotta say, yo, me hate the artist. It's not gonna be this, bro, because of the respect. Bro, sometimes when you have a respect for your individual, bro, if you see you and them not agree, I better you go your way, But it's not gonna be a situation where you gotta talk bad about him and you gotta come.
I saw things said, sometimes some man stop link with people and them start talk. You understand? Them thing there, bro, you carry your energy will get boof, brother. You understand? Your energy will get boof. Enough people this. Let me tell you this. Enough people when I see usually did Alkaline and stop and them career and them things just go so tush. Yeah man, enough people. After them stop deal with Alkaline, I hate that. Me I tell them I see it happen to a lot of people. You see me? But I just one of them thing there.
Our interview, me a beat him, man. No, bro. Me never forget the good way a man do for me, bro. Even if you do 99 but if you do one good, never always remember the good because the good way you do, you never did that for beat.
True, man.
Yeah, man.
So, I basically bring you on a flight for the first.
The first
as
time
a,
Trinidad.
like as a DJ
Yeah.
for him.
Yeah.
So like
Sure.
when the bookings them start forwarding for you now as a DJ.
Well, we did not get bookings at Jamaica, you know, but we never had that travel.
Overseas we are talking about.
Overseas, little after that, you know, we get
Yeah man people. I just one of them thing there, man. You see it? One of them thing there, you see me? So you have to just know say yo, Alkaline are doing thing. The youth is a great artist. And Alkaline look out for a lot of people in the dancer. Just that Alkaline don't forward and come talk about it. You understand? But see it there, DJ Banka come talk. You understand? But people who don't know things that now media facts, you know. That is it.